Uko toda fire, fire. Uko toda fire, fire. Uko toda fire.
What up, everybody? Welcome to Operation No Chance in Hell. We're gonna miss this, I'm not gonna talk too much, you know what it is, man. I just have to get to it and kill the reaction. No chance, just be able to come at the foot in the reactions and as you hapa ndo vyanga visionary song. It's a visionary theme song. Mega mind behind this is then the woman SP Blazing. You can follow him now. So this song has featured many artists. It's Faith. It's on intro. We have SparklesWrld, and the hook. We have. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that, but it's Recent Pro. Sorry if I'm not pronouncing it right. I know the guy. Na Phoenix, na Suppreme Hela, na MadH, na Ropza, na Venda, na Lutroo Da-Music, na Mcdee Madala. I don't think this one is Venda. Na Natural Black SA, na Romeo ThaGreatwhite. So, guys, I'm not gonna talk too much with you guys. Let's go because this song is so fucking long. So, yeah.
Visionary, helping you reach your dreams, visions beyond your imaginations, where dreams are made alive. We believe in a dreamer as much as we believe in your dream. Can you see it? Are you ready to live in it? Do you believe in it? We do. We are visionary.
Woo! What an intro, guys. I'm a writer, so I know what an intro, guys. I'm a writer, so I know what's going on. So let's get to the verses and the rhyming and the beats.
Oh God. The girls say the same, stay visionary.
Beat is by Tian, by the way.
No competition. The girls say the same, stay visionary. And the richest dreams. I cannot sit for while I got my mind. And I will never beg, I will work for mine.
While I got my mind, I think I might put this section on my intro video.
Visionary mind, I got a lot of kids. Having richer dreams, The girls say the same, stay visionary.
I don't know. I don't know why. Zonkumbuzan aka Nyana on I don't know which song, but Zonkumbuza aka Nyana.
The girls say the same, stay visionary. I'm about to start profiling dictionary. I've got the ears hanging on coming.
This is Recent Pro, so it's also like master mixed and mastered the track. So yeah, let's go.
I run 2 years to come, breaking legend. I'm about to start profiling dictionary. I got the ears hanging on, communicating. I run 2 years
to I got the ears hanging on, call me Liginari. Woo! That way they're saying like my fans are just hanging on, waiting for something from me. So they they got their ears waiting. So I'm hanging like a lignari. Oh, and I love the fact that onanga lignari because lignari is one of those big earrings. So it also like feed the narrative here or when to Zurane Gongwana. I don't know hanging on their ears and but ananga because like it can fit the narrative in our ambon. Hang on the ears, they're waiting for something big. Oh, come on, man, come on.
Come breaking legendary. The fire pipe and the food and puppy. I don't do no talking. I touch no talking. And I see no wifey. But they go stay real. I say I'm the guy from those side. I go down in me those side. I make my out of those side. I went fishing on the crease, the more they stay real. But what's this not a chill and I tell them shit. They're taking getting shit. I make them dance for me. My nigga fishing naughty and you go some shit. Niggas trying to bet a man.
So Phoenix is coming, man. Sorry guys, I got distracted. Beat Nyana. So if he had any bars, I didn't catch them. But let's go to Phoenix now. Let's go to Phoenix. Let's go to Phoenix.
My nigga bitch, naughty, and you go some shit. Niggas tryna bet a man, always fucking mad. I'll make it to the top of course, now let's push your press. Been move all the millions, tell I chase like my dad. Your favorite time my songs, man, you better by my bail. I'm pressing on them riches that for my fam, I be the man. How to go, so she's some bad. Know them lessons on my way, long time on Yenzi 88. Phoenix in your government, tryna be my legacy. So they see they know me. I've been running all day, I swear I'm getting no sleep. See my DJs double A.
I've been running that thing like I'm getting what?
Every time my songs, man, you better by my mail. I'm pressing on them riches that for my fam, I be the man. How to go, so she's some bad. Know them lessons on my way. Long time on Yenzi 88. Phoenix in your government. Tryna be my legacy. Letting gas it up, I'm getting. So they see they know me. I've been running all day, I swear I'm getting no sleep. See my DJ.
I've been running all day, I say I'm getting no sleep, or I'm getting no sleep. I thought maybe it was like a great bar, like something. So yeah, I got it.
Double A, double A, tumble on that. And I'm on the side on your blind and smoking purple A. Maybe we know double A. The code say the same thing, vision better. Now pull out your tumble to hang no competition. The code say the same thing, vision better. Now pull out your tumble to hang no competition. Now pull out your tumble to hang no competition. This my mission statement, boy, I'm always on a mission. I go up.
This is Suppreme Hela. Suppreme Hela. Let's go.
I pull out your tumble to hang no competition. The code say the same thing, vision better. Now pull out your tumble to hang no competition. Ain't no competition. This my mission statement, boy, I'm always on a mission. I go up with the price, wanna get it on my side. Got my hand on the Bible prize, spreading no lies. Ndinga sife menko Mcdee Madhara. Do Stephen don't need what Sunday kushuma chiva big. You niggas is so basic, nende blamba. I see the fishing. I got it, but you shamba, but it's Jimena, Jimena, Stakwa. So if you play.
Nakale vachijamba vachidhimira chimwe chizodhakwa. Ori zvodhakwa kana amba something. I think amba something angamba zvodhakwa man. Nakale I don't know or if I'm married, so chidhimira chimwe muntu chekula chokuira, so I don't know about chidhakwa and stuff.
Mcdee Madhara. Do Stephen don't need what Sunday kushuma chiva big. You niggas is so basic, nende blamba. I see the fishing. I got it, but you shamba, but it's Jimena, Stakwa. So if you playing, we gon' leave you in the dirt. I don't do it less like the rest. Boy, I'm always on the way. Live for leaders, having fishing. So he told like I just no blow me con any fools and alibi. I believe in us and never get tired.
Okay, so this one is MadH. I know the guy, so don't know if he voices already. And MadH, no chance. That's MadH. And so I know him. So this MadH, I can just
They used to win my music, we don't feel like gone. If you know what I'm doing, I'm so gone. So pay the price and dealing got this song. My vision is someone else so strong. In a meeting, in a city, in this stone cover by the bar. Support of a song of a slow stone. The Mutini, the one who got in the fall. The cause say the same thing, vision man. I put out your tumble, I hate no competition. The cause say the same thing, vision man. Now put out your tumble, I hate no competition. Ain't no competition, I just must play.
Big Ropza.
Me, I excite, just ready to show more. Eliminate the previous wars, yeah, I'm a mercenary.
Let me keep this fireplace. See my leadership skills getting tested on a daily. I'm a winner, I'm getting it all. Don't you know we never fall? Visionary, that's what fucking real. Super hustler, you know the deal. We don't chill, we don't chill.
This track is fire, guys. Heaven. And just to say, we're still in 4 minutes, and the track is like 9 minutes, and I'm just, guys, no, man. Look at me, I'm sweating. This track is fire.
Visionary till we get it, man.
We don't chill, we don't chill.
On the real life, coming up here. You must not find it on them up here. Ain't no competition, take over.
Then a competition tiko vona mutu. Mrapa bakon toma or tiko toma mutu. Come on, man. This is Venda. This is Venda. Ish, come on. This track is fire.
So I get more shaken. I am the best in the game and I'm not mistaken. Oh yeah. Ain't no competition, Tico, wanna watch. Now they tryna hate up on the game. They can flash me, but they know that I'm the shade. Who knows? Maybe I'm the one who's gonna move and I'm the map and I'm never gonna blow. In every single thing that I do is
guys, I have superpowers, but I don't have superpowers to catch the speed of rap. So, Venda, no, man, don't do this, man. Don't do this to me. No.
passion, yes, I do more. What they look at them facing, nothing again what they be hitting. Though I get them more shaken. I am the best in the game and I'm not mistaken. Oh yeah.
I'm the best to the game and I'm not mistaken. Ew, come on, man.
Watch out for the visionary. I do know I'm gonna body in a body. I body but doesn't matter how much it. I've told you some more than the does it. The code stay the same, stay visionary. Now would I have to move ahead of competition? The code stay the same, stay visionary. Now would I have to move ahead of competition? Now this is golden, not the usual. Living.
This is Lutroo Da-Music.
Every day like it's a carnival, yeah. It's all a trick, you can
I have something about carnival. And you know, that's a big word. And it's your woman that was with me.
The code stay the same, stay visionary. Now would I have to move ahead of competition? The code stay the same, stay visionary. Now would I have to move ahead of competition? Now this is golden, not the usual. Living every day like it's a carnival, yeah. It's all a
Living every day like it's a carnival. Maybe screwing about carnival seat or something. The Francis cities that actually Kandawo Sabatu. Gamanda Bafenda. This chorus, guys.
Now this is golden, not the usual. Living every day like
Now this is golden, not the usual. Okay.
it's a carnival, yeah. It's all a trick, you can find it. You don't even need no confirmation, cause see me, you see king. Give me any verse, I'll kill. Been working for the day when I can cover all my bills, and it's here. Mula chow, yet to mama, let me chill. Getting ready for the future, cause it's clear. Yeah, I might need some glasses. The vision is too bright, enlightening the masses. Yeah, you don't know why you owe me. Don't rip and drop, we addictive. We never stop or rule me. I think my host said this is king shit.
This is Mcdee Madhara. Yeah. Guys, I can't hear anything but the flow, man. This black, natural black essay.
I am a visionary. People in my hood call me legendary. They must show me what they go. They must show me. They climb up the court. I'm a woman. Busy working for the money. Just show me the land. Just show me the land. Bala bala no bala. What be the land?
Chashumana Habalani, Valanga. Oh, come on, man. Just listen to the L rhythm. Chashumana Habalani, Valanga. Oh, man. L rhythm.
Visionary. But for nobody plan. Visionary. They cannot already what time.
chimwe chinendafara turns to gold. Come on, man.
Melody can still a bitch, call me ready. All of you still say you kings, that's a gimme. Ching when the ching which then the fire tend to go. You wanna kill the brain, nigga, better be bold. Call me MTG, that is what I do. I am killing all the veterans and all the new school.
I thought he called me MTG, this is what I do. I know he's gonna say something, so all call me MTG, this is what I do. I'm mentoring all veterans and the new schools. So all these new schools who feature all kind of vision tracks, they're getting mentored by the Great White.
I never fall, I'm never gonna surrender the mission. When the go we are I'm the only one who gets the vision. They say how they when I'm mad and no fera. I wanna say night no so go jakatera. When it comes to me, you're messing with a go, yeah. I am the great one, visionary. And I think that's if it while I come on mine. And I will never back.
You know, kurasi jena vafuti ne. Toto fanga comes you man you just like introduction of tomato. So I feel like got that verse ya day to go.
I got one for mine. Vision never mind, I got a lot of dance. Happy with your dreams, happy with your dreams. The code stay the same, stay visionary. Now pura ya tamura, ain't no competition. The code stay the same, stay visionary. Now pura ya tamura, ain't no competition.
Visionary. Now pura ya tambura, there's no competition. Hey. Visionary. Now pura ya tambura, there's no competition. Yeah. Visionary. Now pura ya tambura, there's no competition. No further outro. Hey, no panga outro mandiwo. Yeah, so this one is a visionary theme song. A theme song. Visionary theme song. Hey, English what it is to whatever person who want to Pedzi hapa. Faith or the bad Pedzi. I don't want to talk about that. But like this song is dangerous. This song is so amazing, well constructed, well mastered, well mixed and everything. So big ups and Snenda kufunanga this song ndio aingo dala abantu badebe yawo. Like yes, Venda is getting the hype now. Suppreme Hela, yeah, he's like known. Nyana, RSM Pro, Dipro, DBN and Dibanyana, Rabananto Anungan to Romeo ThaGreatwhite. But if you check, 70% of this song is the rappers that I don't know about. Like Nasabadibi, and that's great because you introduce a lot of new rappers, like to me as a reactor and to the world, because I was watching it, more than 30 views on YouTube, so that's great, that's amazing. So this one is the best song, this is the best song to come out of event rap. This year, I think I can just say that maybe I'm preaching, but I love this song. And what I'm loving about this, like when I'm bring a game, the abang waiters wait to oka that take and ka venture by nas in like album. I don't like everybody there was like let's just go. But here everybody brought their A game. This is great, guys. This is great. And wow, this is great, man. To be so wide, this is great. I'm gonna release the song, not not about a theme song something, but my idea is that one day I'm just gonna like gather these rappers, get a beat, pay them, pay studio time. They wanna try to event rap highness, because this is like a statement to everybody. Or you don't need or a hit. You don't need that. You just need people who are dedicated. These guys know this song is gonna put them in a map. They knew this song is the way and then they did that. So if someone asked, then it was like, okay, let's do a song, Vent Rap Machine. Let's do this song, Vent Rap by Nas. you have to bring it ngongwana, because they know this they are like a big break to be known by what I'm impressed by this song. I will not verse flow power. Yes, ngatitwa mali verse hey yako to comes more pen game, but this is great. This song is amazing. I love the song. Kote wana dzimwe dzinyimbo dza so dzinedza what like uko opportunity but now like abakho diviyanga muthu nongani kana abakho diviyanga bathu banji, because this song doesn't have more star power. Ngamba nga Romeo ThaGreatwhite, yes, ngamba nga high, but it doesn't have that much star power. So I'm impressed. Keep it up, guys. From Faith Achikorwa introduction until Romeo ThaGreatwhite, this song is super dope. And I also want to thank Tian for offering this beat to Tungebu World. This is great. This is what we want. And thank you, Tian, for great beat. Thank you, Visionary, for a great song. Thank you, every rapper here, for rapping, for singing, for everything. Thank you very much. Kolibwa Mamanda. Some minister of reaction in Venda, Nikori. Let's keep it going. Arwanzi Munyimbo, Ndoribo Watere. I sign out. Jeja.